So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hello friends, welcome back to another tips and tricks video of PowerBi Masterclass series. Now in this video, we're gonna see how we can add visual tooltips on an image. So let's see. Maybe you have use case for that adding an visual tooltip on image. So let's explore. What I'll do first, I'll insert some image here. So let's go to the insert tab and I'll insert an image here. So this is my image, PowerBi image. I'll select this and let's adjust this here. So this is my image. Now to add visual tooltip on the top of this, what we need to do is we need to add a card here. So let's select a card here and let's adjust this on the size of this. Let's adjust this here. What I'll do, I'll go to this selections here and I'll see this is, so first of all, yeah, let's see first it is adjusted or not. So let's select this. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, nice. Now what I'll do, I'll need to add some fields here to this card. Let's add some fields here. Let's select the card here and let's add, let's say, I'll create a new measure here. I'll say this is my blank measure. Let's say blank measure, and here I'll just say blank. Now let's select this, select the card, and let's select our blank measure here. You can see blank measure is there. Now let's group our card and image here. So I'll hold the control option and select the both and I'll just group it here. Let's rename this to, let's say this is my image viz group. Image viz group, yes. Now let's remove the selections option. So let's go to this view option and just untick it. Now let's remove this title here. So I'll go to this format option here. So it should be selected here. I'll go to this general option and I'll remove the header icon here, and it should be removed here. This category label. So yeah, this category label should be removed here. And what I need to do is I need to make the background. So I'll go to this background off. Yes. So the background is off here, and I want to remove. I want to remove this text that is displaying the blank here. So let's see how we can do this. So I'll go to this visuals option, so call out value, and I'll just let's see, we can just minimize the size of the font. So you can see it is still displayed here. So to remove this, let's select a transparent color from this colors option. So let's select a transparent color. So you can see here we just need to, we can just add 6 letters here, that is 6 characters, characters. So for the transparent code is 6F and 200. So we can't add the transparent colors using these colors here, options here. So what I'll do, I'll create a new measure here and I'll say this is my, let's say this is my transparent 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 color. And here I'll is some hash code here. I'll just say 6Fs. So 6Fs means white and 00 means transparent color. So let's say hit enter here. Now what I'll do, I'll select this again and I'll go to this formatting option here. And here from this callout value, let's increase this size to, let's say 30. Yeah, we got this. To remove this, what I'll do, I'll go to this FX option, that is conditional formatting here. And from here, I'll check the format style to field value, and I'll select my measure, that is transparent color, where it is. So this is my transparent color measure. I'll click on OK. Now I can see the text is gone here. So now we need to add a tooltip here. So let's select this, and I'll again go to this formatting option here, and yeah, I'll make this tooltip on here. Yes, and here from this type options I'll select report page. Yes, right. And here I'll select my by default report page, tooltip page, that is I created here, this one, this one, this one. I'll select that. So I'll just select here, and I'll again go to this formatting options here, and I'll make this, select this tooltip of page here. Let's add some text here also. No, let's leave it that. Now let's close this. Now when I hover here, you can see here we got this tooltip. When we hover here on an image, so this is how we can add images, sorry, the tooltip options on an image. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.